post-event related stuff. Yes.
So, the software is automatically scanning everyone's keywords, and now it's starting to watch the videos for everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a tool that helps increase the number of views on your YouTube channel's videos, making it easier for your channel to get recommended. This is the software interface, so you'll go to the seeding function. Here, you'll select the seeding by keyword option. First, you'll need to set up the parameters so the software can run. Next, you'll enter a keyword, and then the software will automatically scan for those keywords and watch the videos for you. Here, I'm going to increase the views for this video of mine. You'll simply copy this keyword, and then you'll easily paste it right here. In this section, you'll enter the link, the video URL, the video link. Next, you can have the software drop a like or even comment directly on your video. The comments can be based on whatever content you want. You can pre-enter the content you want right here. The next step is for you to select the accounts, the secondary accounts. And finally, all you need to do is press the start button, and the software will automatically have the secondary accounts search for the keywords you want to look for. Then, it will automatically watch the video for you. After watching the video, the software will automatically like the video or even subscribe to the channel. There you go. By performing these actions naturally, your channel will have a much better chance of being recommended. As you can see on the screen, the software will automatically open secondary YouTube accounts and start typing in keywords, searching for those keywords. After searching for the keywords, the software will automatically go to the video you want to increase views for.
Yes. The software is automatically scanning your keywords, and now it's starting to watch the video for you. And all of these views are completely organic. If any of you need a tool to help increase the views on your YouTube channel's videos, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp.